video is going to go over how to run the DOE prototype buildings in OpenStudio. Actually, not OpenStudio, Energy Plus. So let me show you the DOE prototype buildings and where you get them from. So if you type in DOE prototype buildings into Google, you can see that opens it up. It has a whole bunch of different buildings, but when you download it, you get IDF files to run into Energy Plus. And the IDF files are really meant to run in a certain version, Energy Plus version 8.0. So what I would recommend is that you install Energy Plus 8.0 and you download these files, and then you'll be good to go with the commercial prototype building models. I really want to show you how to get hourly or sub-hourly energy use data of these buildings to use in different calculations. So what you can launch, I have a shortcut here, but this usually, the EP launch is usually in the Energy Plus folder, so mine's under C, Energy Plus EP launch, but you might need to search for this. So once we open that up, the first thing we need to do is browse for our, our Energy Plus file. So let's say we're going to do Baltimore here. We're going to open that up, and then for our weather file. So in this case, I'm going to use Wilmington weather for 2015. So the big thing here is we can do a lot of stuff and we can get some outputs, but what I really want is I want that sort of hourly electricity use. So I'm actually going to edit the IDF, and I'm going to edit it in a couple different, or actually just one way. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to output variables, because basically I just want to get another output variable in here. So what I want to make sure of, and I actually already added this in, but I want to add a new object. I want this key value to be a star, and then the variable name I have here is the facility net purchase electric energy. And I'm reporting a time step, and this time step right now I have set as 15 minutes. So that's the basic idea. And then once you were done adding this in, you hit save, and then you're done with the IDF editor. So then you can go ahead and just run, you can simulate these files. And this is going to take a little bit. So I'm going to pause here and come back when it ends. Okay, so now we've ended. And so really what we're going to look at is the ESO file is the outputs that we, the variable outputs that we input. So if we click on the ESO file, you can see it opens it up as a text document. The other thing that you could do is you could go to variables, and that's actually going to put it as a CSV, which opens in Excel, which is nice to use. The other thing to notice is that you sometimes get, you usually get your design days up front. So in this case, it's January 21st and July 21st. So you have to scroll down if you just want, the normal starting at 1/1. So there you have it. Then you can use this for a variety of calculations. Make sure that this is in joules, so make sure you're converting if you want kilowatt hours or whatnot. And this can be used for a variety of different applications, this hourly energy use of commercial buildings. Thanks for listening.